Sorry. Okay, the other one is
Another bird?
yeah.
What's that?
Wow.
Mom! Sabong! It's a cool fish! Look at that fish!
Koi.
Fish!
What? What kind of fish?
Koi fish! Koi fish!
Wow. What's the color of the koi fish, Dodong?
Colorful!
What color?
White? White and red?
White.
Rock! Zero, ano ka baludo?
Wow.
Nabe, koi fish ano sa Minecraft.
Okay.
Hi, fishy! Koi.
Here we have a kwan, Dodong. Small rooster, Dodong. Oh no, it's okay. It's okay. Get the rooster.
Help me!
Hi, Babo.
Hi, I'm gonna go to fishing.
There, oh.
Where's the mud?
Here, oh. Here, oh.
Where's the chicks? Where's the chicks?
They're hiding in the bush.
Bush?
Yeah, bushes.
Bushes?
Yeah. Oh. They don't want to come. They don't want to. There, oh.
Okay, come here. Come here. Come here, little chick. Come here.
This one is a bantam. Okay, you like that, Dodong? Oh, like this one, oh, like Papa. Oh,
Here you go. Touch it.
oh.
Touch it. Here you go. It's so cute. Window.
Hi, there's so many pigeons na.
Mini pigeon.
Oh, okay.
Oh my god, it's scary.
Oh my God, he's scared.
Oh my
He scared the
God,
pigeons.
I want to know No! It's scary!
Oh, last piece, oh. Okay.
You need to hurry.
Chicken. He wants more, anak. He wants more. He wants more. Okay. Where's your Dodong? Where's your feeds? You here in Ate Babo. Gi Zaya? Mike, magunitan nimo. After the chase the pigeons. Run faster. Hi, family bonding po. For the third time around, bumalik kami dito. Pero itong isa, wala pa. Sa first. Then second, parang 1-year-old ata. 2 years old siya. Ngayon, 7 years old na. And kabalik ulit. Si Clintoy loves animals. Di ba, Clintoy? You love animals?
Yes.
Hey, look at me. You love animals?
Yes.
What kind of animals do you want to...
Mini animals.
What?
Mini animals.
Pwede ko magunitan nimo. Dili. Pwede.